Jessie, me, Noah, and Tanker are outside of the Angry Birds pig factory right now. We are so scared right now. Why is this happening to us? Please explain to me what is going on right now.
You know very well why we are so scared right now. Because there's a lightning strike that strikes the power. It causes a power outage. You won't believe this happening in here right now.
Yeah, the lightning strike is very dangerous, so we need to find something place to keep us safe. Like a basement or something like that.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea to us. Let's find the basement to hide from the thunderstorm. The lightning strike is going to kill us. It's time to go right now.
I agree with Jessie. Let's keep all of the places safe. If not, we will going to be killed by the lightning strike. Let's go to the basement right now.
Since we are scared by the lightning strike, let's go to find a basement to keep us safe, and that will be alive. Here we go. Goodbye.